Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform, Moodle at Lunacy Ali University of Blida 2. Today, we're going to present our second lecture titled The Management Job Titles. I have divided my lecture into the following four elements as follows. First element, what are the management job titles? The second, what are the types of management job titles? Third, language activities. And finally, our assessment, quizzes, tests, and exam. So what are the management job titles? Managers are groomed from entry-level positions and are in time promoted to be managers. So what are the different types of management job titles? There are many different types of management job titles, such as administrative services manager, computer information system manager, construction manager, food services manager, medical and health services manager, marketing manager, sales manager, training and development manager, and finally executive or exec or C-suite managers. Third element, language activities. So please learners, don't confuse between work on a field and work in a field. So the phrase work on a field and work in a field are similar in language but completely different in meaning. Work in a field is a general phrase used to refer to any career or field of employment, while work on a field is the literary phrase we use for anybody who is working on a field. For examples, Ahmed works on a field all day. Mohammed Ataf works in a field of blockchain technology. Now, can in a company and at a company be used interchangeably? For example, Amin works in a hotel. Amin works at a hotel. Both of these are correct. Farid works in a real estate office HR department. Khalid works at a real estate office's HR department. Again, both of these are correct. Mohammed works in Lunacy Ali University. Mohammed works at Lunacy Ali University. At is the only correct case here because we're talking about the actual brand of the company we work for. Mustafa works in finance. Mustafa works at finance. This time in is the only correct case because we're talking about the field we work in. So finally, please don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, quizzes, tests, exam. Thank you for your attention. See you next week.